Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the F sound. Can you make the F sound? Follow these steps. First, place your upper front teeth on your bottom lip, like this. Next, push some air out past your teeth. Try it with me. Are you ready? Now let's practice a few words with the F sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Feet. Coffee. Elephant. Knife. Laugh. The F sound can be spelled with the letter F as in feet, FF as in coffee, PH as in elephant, FE as in knife, or GH as in laugh. Nicely done! Great job! Ellii.